We went into the park. It is just you and me or I. Again, complete the sentence by choosing the correct pronoun. We went into the park. It is just you and me or I. 10 seconds starts now. Time's up. Teams who get the correct answer. The correct answer, sorry. The correct answer is I. Teams who get the correct answer. Number 1, 2, 4, and 23. Again, 1, 2, 4, and 23.
We now proceed with question number 7 under the category of mathematics for 3 points and for 10 seconds. 5 over 14 times 3/4 times 2/3 times 4 over 5 is blank. Write an answer in the simplest fraction form. Again, 5 over 14 times 3/4 times 2/3 times 4/5 is equal to blank. Write your answer in the simplest fraction form. Go. Time's up. The correct answer is 1 over 7. Teams who got the correct answer are 2, 3, 8, and 19.